on the track, nigga. You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody.
Hey y'all, it's your girl CC and I'm back with another video. This video I'll be telling you guys everything that went wrong when I started my business, which was not too long ago. I just started my own business and it's called Beauty by C. You guys can check that out on Instagram. It's Beauty by C Collection. Beauty by C _ collection. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, add me on all my social media networks, and stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that went wrong was the labels. I ordered them off of Avery. I paid $12 for about 48 of them. And this were the original labels that I ordered. As you guys can see, it is very small and it does not fit this lip gloss properly. I had to wrap it all the way around, and then the Beauty by C doesn't stay on just right here. It wraps around, which I did not want. I wanted it going this way, but I ended up keeping these and I'm just going to use them until it's finished. Then I ordered these round ones from Sticker app, and it was $25 for 200. Was it 200? Yeah, it was 200 labels for these. It was the round ones. But the thing with these is that they unstick. Like if I let it sit for too long, then this starts unsticking in the ends, and I hate that with a passion. I mean, it's affordable, but it's not good labels. And if you really want these, I don't know if the camera is focusing properly, but it's better to use flat items like this, like your highlighters, your pigments and stuff like that. It's better for that rather than your lip gloss. It's better to get the one that wrap all the way around. Even this unsticks. I just had to stick it for the video. So another thing that went wrong was these bullshits right here. So when I did these thank you cards, my website was not even up yet. I was basically rushing to get them. I don't know why, but I was basically rushing, and I paid $30 for 100 of these cards. And as you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell, but this does not look professional at all. Like the fonts are different sizes and whatnot. I mean, I recently learned about the font sizes and all that stuff, but never too late to learn. But the tag was on Instagram. It was supposed to be hashtag. There is no hashtag here. I don't know if the camera is focusing like always because I can't see shit, but there is no hashtag. It's different size fonts. And this is my personal Instagram, not my actual business Instagram. So these cards have to get done over, and then it says 5% off right here. I should have left the blank box so I could put different discount codes, but that's not what I did because I didn't know any better. But that's another mistake. So before you guys order anything, I would recommend that you do your research on everything, which I didn't take my time to do, and I ended up wasting a whole lot of money. I don't know how much yet because I didn't calculate it as yet. But as far as the lashes, I didn't do my research. I just went ahead and ordered. I mean, I just spoke to one vendor and then I ordered, like, and it wasn't even like in bulk. It was only like a few lashes for a certain price, and then when I really did do my research, I found out that I could have paid cheaper for way more lashes, with the box included, customized and everything. So that was another place where I went wrong. And then what else? When I ordered the Versagel off what you call it? I can't remember the name of anything right now, to be honest. My head is just not here. But when I ordered the Versagel off Amazon, the very first time I ordered it, it was £5, and I paid probably, I believe it was 16 and change for the £5. and then that has said TKB trading on it, so I was fine with that one. The second time I ordered it, I ordered the 10-pound bag, and the 10-pound bag basically was the same size as the 5-pound bag, and it did not say TKB trading on it. I did not look at the description or anything. I just ordered it because it said 10 pounds, so I thought it was more. And yeah, I basically got scammed because I paid $23.99, and I could have bought the 5-pound bag TKB trade-in for less. And make sure you go to TKB trade-in instead of Amazon because you will save way more. I'm gonna make this video real short because I don't have much to say, but a lot did go wrong. I just like summarized everything. I didn't really go into much detail, but another thing that went wrong was the website. Okay, so I did my whole website myself. The only thing I didn't really know how to do was the centering part and the fonts part. I didn't have any knowledge on it, on how to make it look professional. So when I did it, it looked like a kid did it, basically. My background was just so plain, like my fonts were like all over the place. So I decided to pay somebody. No shade at all. I paid them $75 to do basically my background and my font, center and everything. He didn't have to do anything else because I basically had linked my PayPal already. I had already did all the links to YouTube and Instagram, my new Instagram of course, and my Facebook. I had did all the links already. So all he basically had to do was change the fonts, change the fonts in the background, and he charged me $75, right? Yes, I paid the $75 right away. I paid him everything right away. That was my #1 mistake. You never do that. You always give a deposit, and then when they're finished, then you do you give them the rest of the payment. But me being nice, I give them the whole payment, and then after the fact, I found out that I could have did it myself. Like basically, all you have to do is go on Google, Google whatever you wanted. Like if you wanted a pink background, a glitter background, all you had to do was put it in the search bar and everything will came up. If you wanted a GIF, like if you wanted the movements in the background, you just do the GIF, GIF if you don't know. And then you download it and then you upload it to the website. That's all you had to do. And I paid $75 for that. Not only did I pay $75 for that, it took him a whole week to do it. So don't do that. Don't pay anybody to do your website. It's so easy. Just Google gives you everything, and there's enough YouTube videos on this, like step-by-step videos. I could do a step-by-step video for you guys as well. It's not that hard. Don't waste no money like I did. I mean, everything is a learning experience, but don't do that.